Yeah, so I'm going to go for the cover. I bet it's probably going to be nice and sunny on the way down with the cover on there. But we're not going to take chances until we get a certain point when we know we can go on a side road.
Outdoors.
Huh? So we'll take the roof off when we get to my table lesson. From there, like so. Lovely. Should be okay. Right, we're on the way, and the weather is awful. It's raining.
It is raining.
Typical British weather.
I think we've got the brightest thing on the road.
I spent all night, last 2 days polishing it.
Yeah.
But I knew it was going to rain anyway. I expected it, so polishing is not about making the car look nice, it's about protecting the paintwork as well.
Yeah.
So when you're driving in bad weather, you get oil and all kinds of rubbish on the road on your car.
Yeah.
So hopefully, when we get the other end, we should be rinsing off for a jet wash and it should look all nice and clean again.
Should we tell them where we're going?
Well, our first stage of our trip,
Yeah.
we're heading west and we're going to head towards Dartmoor. There's going to be no water for a little while. There's going to be lots of driving.
Yeah.
Our first time driving this far too far, isn't
It
it?
is actually, yeah. It's going to be the longest journey we've gone on for the first time.
Yeah, it's going to be a proper adventure. We don't know what to expect. We've always gone in a luxury car or Land Rover or something. And
Yeah.
this is like got no luxuries at all.
Nah, you can hear everything. So you can see at the back, it's open. So literally, you can hear the roads, you can hear everything as we're driving. Which is interesting because, you know, we're outdoorsy people, so we do like to be a part of nature.
Yeah, very agricultural. There's a tractor there. Like,
Look.
tractor. Yeah,
That's what we feel like.
We're driving at the moment. Without the roof on, it's actually nice, but when the roof's on, you can hear everything. The whine of the gearbox, the diff.
Yeah.
It's just one of those note sounds. I've got the full blast at the moment, so I'm just demisting the windscreen.
Yep.
I'll turn it down a bit now. Get the temperature down a little bit.
And also, we're just checking the radiator in it because it was overheating.
Yes, I did a oil antifreeze coolant change. Well, a previous video, our radiator blew up, so we changed that, and then we just had some work done on it. We'll get some fuel, and then yeah, we'll see where we go. I thought we left the key.
Falling out.
Yeah. Fortunately, it's at the back so we can go in this way. How much do you think it's going to cost to fill up the super?
£55.
I'll say 65.
Oh no, I forgot. Yeah, it's super in it. Yeah, so probably about 60 something or 70.
Hopefully not. Hopefully 10 off. Alright,
You'll be lucky.
It cost £10 already. Right, £23.
That's what it is.
£84. Let's see. I reckon it'll be about 50 odd pounds. Oh,
Right.
no way.
No way, really?
Hang on. I've got to go to the brim.
Right, we're brimming it up.
The traffic fuel, I call it.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, it's going to be about £40. I'm one of those irritating people who've got people behind them who don't care. They're still brimming it up. This extra fuel gets you through traffic. I think that's it. Yeah, that is. Oh, it's alright. There you go. Right to the top. That'll wash off by the time we go on the road. £40, 50, free. And Lane looks really happy.
Wondering how to make a play all night, thinking your way.
So guys, we've got our fuel and we are off.
We're off, yeah. We're definitely off. Not even started yet. We've actually gone further inland, the wrong direction we want to go.
Oh no, to get fuel. We were going to get fuel last night, but we were just so knackered.
Yeah, plus, yeah.
There's so much to pack and so much to do on the car. He's made up for the car, which you will see later. It's quite ingenious actually, because
At 2 o'clock in the morning.
literally we have asked everyone to get this thing done for us,
Yeah.
and no one has done it. They've let us down due to stuff that was happening. They've, said that they've had no staff, they said they've had no material. Yeah, it's been one thing after the other, but we have done it. Who has done it? Looks amazing. Does the job, to be fair. And yeah, we'll show you later.
And even Lane gave me a haircut at 2 o'clock in the morning.
I know. I had to cut our little boy's hair, plait our little girl's hair, the twins, and cut Chris's hair at it was mad hours in the morning. But yeah, we are on our way now.
Yeah, still raining.
It is still
But
raining.
we're told it's going to stop raining by 12 o'clock. Look at the weather, guys. Weather's terrible.
It is terrible. And we've got trucks going by, we've got cars going by, and it just sounds so noisy.
So loud.
Noisy.
And also we've got a dash cam, so we are going to feature this dash cam. Maury. Yeah.
Sorry guys, the kids, this is what it is.
Yeah, so we're shouting already, so I'm trying to shout. And Lane always says I shout a lot anyway. Anyway, so we've got a dash cam and we're going to be using that quite a lot in our episodes.
Yeah.
So if we catch any footage of anything, we're going to stick it on there. Excuse the quality of the dash cam, it's not the best in the world, but yeah, it's there. So we'll catch anything,
Yep,
see what happens.
yep.
So far so good, the cars are overheated and we've done 2 miles, it's a big milestone, pardon the pun. So yeah.
And we're not getting wet.
Not getting wet.
We've been driving about an hour now. We've just got to Devon.
Yeah, just
literally got there.
yeah.
Going past Lime region. Obviously we're going to stop because as you can see it's steaming in here.
Yeah, we'll take the windows out.
Yeah.
And this boat car's not liking this long journey at all. It's not liking the hills.
No, it's very, very hilly.
Yeah. I'll say round town and normal mod drive is fine, but on a long journey, it's the first time and it's fully loaded. I think that's part of the problem.
Yeah.
It's fully loaded. I can't put any more weight in here.
Nah.
More people. So it's
We'll be coming back lighter anyway.
yeah.
So,
We'll leave the kids. But, I mean, yeah.
Wondering how to make a play all night, looking your way from out of sight, thinking I should ask if you're doing alright. You weren't easy, so hard to ignore. Pull up on your right, ask what you're drinking, ask what you like. Said you look good in the dim bar light, so damn cheesy. Who'd have thought you'd fall for somebody like me? When you asked my name, I panicked, so out of my league. And your body was so magnetic. Before I knew it, we talked and I think about you a cocktail. You told me that you've been waiting for somebody like me. Somebody like me.
Fantastic.
So we've stopped off at a service station at where are we?
I got a clue. I think
Moncton Road. There's a service station, Anisa Express, and so yeah, as I said, we're taking out all the windows because it's steamy in here. And as usual, when we stop, someone's come over to just ask if it floats. But yeah, so you know, it's good to talk to people. You know, nowadays a lot of people aren't really talking that much, but we definitely are. We definitely do love to talk. So if you do see us about, come over, say hi. And yeah, we're happy to talk. Right guys, we're going to keep you posted. We're just on the way down now along the west coast, as I said. So we're going to be stopping off along the way and yeah, let's see where we get to. We decided not to stop at Exeter.
There's nothing there to look at.
So we have kind of just carried on and we are nearly at Cornwall.
Yeah. No.
So,
how do you go back then?
because we can see the nearly dead trees.
Somebody like me. Somebody like me.
So we've just seen the signs to Cornwall. We've just got there. Really, really happy because our legs are starting to hurt now. We want to get out and stretch. But the weather is brilliant. The sun's out. It's a little bit overcast, isn't it?
Yeah.
It's bright. Can't ask for anything more. I think the rest of the week should be good. But yeah, we are here. We have finally arrived.
Yeah. Got something in my eye.
Oh no, just keep straight, keep straight.
Yeah. We'll be there in 19 minutes.
Yeah, but you can see that Launceston at the top of the sign, that's the one we're going to.
Launceston, are you sure that's how they pronounce it?
I don't know, I'm going to look online.
Oh, hang on. I nearly missed my turning.
Well, it wouldn't have been good, although we probably would have ended up in Newquay or somewhere.
Nuki. Nearly missed our turning.
Ooh, lucky you look down.
I know. It's a beautiful sunny day to be fair.
It is actually.
Oh,
Got rain
I just feel
and
good just driving slow at the moment.
I know.
Oh,
I know, yeah, we've been driving at like average 60 miles an hour. Or
50?
50,
Well, 30, well, 40 in some places.
Yeah,
And we're literally 2 or 3 hours sleep.
yeah.
Not good.
No. We are at a place called Mood.
No, Mood's 15 miles.
away. Was it Newport?
Warrington, probably. No, Newport, yeah.
Newport, wasn't it?
Newport.
Yeah. And it is beautiful. It is just oldie,
You want me to
worldy.
outside the noise? Oh, yeah, sorry. I didn't realise that.
Why?
Sorry,
Can't
Apple.
get the staff these days.
Oh, yeah.
Gosh, man. Anyway, yeah, so we're at a place called Newport, just going through the little narrow lanes, and yeah, it is gorgeous. It is beautiful. It's very oldie worldy, isn't it?
Yeah. So I'm just concentrating.
Yeah, the roads are very narrow, as you know, in Cornwall. We managed to find a little caravan in Launceston, if that's how you say the word.
I'm going to ask someone how do you pronounce it.
Yeah, we'll have to. Yeah, we should probably film and saying it too.
Yeah.
But yeah, so we'll be there in about 5 minutes, the sat nav says. So we're going to go there, drop off our stuff, and then just head out. We never stay in. We're not indoorsy type of people.
Nah. Right, we've arrived.
We've got it. We are here.
Yep,
At the caravan. So we're going to take you in
Yep.
and
Do a tour.
Do a little tour.
Well, ladies, I'm going to carry on unpacking. So I've put a load of stuff. I've taken some out to be fair, because I couldn't get in there. It is packed, and also the front is as well. No, it's really good. Not really, no. It's fine. It's not designed for it, but it is full every nut and cranny. So roll. Right.
So we found this little place down here. Yep, found this little place down here, which should house us all. It's very clean.
Very new.
Mommy, there's 2 beds and 2 bedrooms.
Okay.
No, Mum, look, bedroom here and bedroom in there.
Yeah, it's a 3-bedroom.
And there's a cupboard at the top of the bed.
Okay, is there lights? Do we have lights somewhere?
Up there.
No, that's not lights. That's for the bathroom. But it's fine. I'll open this. Oh yeah, open it one for me. Oh, well done. Thank you. So this is one bedroom.
That's what we normally sleep.
So this is gonna be the girls.
And the other one, there's pink stuff. That means it's girls'
No.
bedroom.
Doesn't mean that.
No, it doesn't.
Oh, that means I want to sleep in the living room.
You're not going to. So come with me. This is the one bathroom that the kids have already used. This is the main bedroom. And this is another bedroom. It's another twin room.
Look, that one has pink stuff.
I'll take the pink stuff out and put it in the
No.
blue room. Ow. And I think there's another bathroom here. So that's it. As you come in, you leave your shoes there, as we do. We'll be unpacking our stuff and shooting off because we don't do indoors. Yeah, and then come back probably later on this evening.